Assalamu alaikum. My name is Usama Siddiqui and today is my case study in Fox Broadcasting Company. Fox Broadcasting Company is the one of the most important and the most rated company in the last in 1976 for the entertainment. The Fox Broadcasting Company is established in the 6th May 1986. It's the one of the huge rated company, American-run company based on the entertainment. So produce and they make the Fox Broadcasting produce and make their own entertainment series like television, networking, cables, growth, station, and much more. So next, number of channel they have and all of the views in the United States like the high rated and the high TRP rated in the since 1986. Fox are famous of the broadcasting as well as the television. The number of the television they have like the Sky and the most focus is the Sky. So the main problem and the main challenges face so of broadcasting is that in this time when Fox Broadcasting established, they are the no competitors, but also they have a competitor, which mean as we previously studied Disneyland, in which we are talking about the ABC television and the much more BBC like networking Sky. So in they all are also this type of entertainment television series. So Fox is the both film and television also. The main and the most important series of the Fox Broadcasting is the Avatar, and the Deadpool and the many of more. But they have also the focus of the every type of target audience. They have the Fox Broadcasting. The target is the main point of view and the main objective of the Fox Broadcasting is the entertainment. It's called the Fox Broadcasting Company, FBC. So the Fox Broadcasting Company make their income and they make their profit throughout the advertising. The Fox Broadcasting Company main focus is advertising because many of the high rated series and high rated television channels focus on the advertising. So Fox Broadcasting also focus on their advertising, selling merchandise, and they want to make the series the people want. And the Fox Broadcasting target on the white audience produce for the white audience. They have also a competitor as we talk about various ABC, Sky, and much more. One of the biggest television is Avatar, and the Fox Broadcasting is the made by is established in 6th May 1996, and the founder of the Fox Broadcasting is the Rupert Murdoch. So in the next, it's in step by step the main focus of the Fox Broadcasting is the entertainment at the include and much more like this. So Fox Broadcasting nowadays they are called 21st century Fox Broadcasting. So most highlighted seen on television like the American Hills, Gills, and the third largest entertainment companies, networking companies, and they have the 5,000 employees they have, and their target ratio of the target that the income target of the Fox Broadcasting is the up to 1.3 billion to 1.8 billion limited. And the Fox Broadcasting collaborate with the Extreme Contribution. Extreme Contribution is actually a flexible delivers developer resources. They help the Fox Broadcasting to how to make the how to grip the customer audience and how to make the customer trust and the customer relation. The Fox Broadcasting is the so sharp and the so downmoded company. They focus on the other competitors that like for example if you have the ARY Digital, ARY News, ARY QTV. So the Fox Broadcasting focus on the ARY, for example ARY, and they focus Fox Broadcasting on the ARY. If the ARY the Bulbul drama is telecast on the ARY is 11 to 11:30. So the Fox Broadcasting see that the 11 to 11:30 ARY have the entertainment drama series like Bulbule. So same day, same timings, Fox Broadcasting made also their same kind of series like Bulbule, another name, and they provide to manage and to grip the audience, to catch the audience of the Bulbule, to transfer the Bulbule to Fox, their name, what they produce, what the types of audition. So the closer relationship of the broadcasting to their audience. The Fox broadcasting want to know that the customer, what the customer want, what the customer see, what the customer want to see, what the customer like to present in the TV, and which type of series, which types of film, and which type of movies customer want to see on the television, with family or without family, with gang, with family members, with friends, and the other. So Fox improved tools for continued integration of the third-party content. As we told about previous, that the Fox broadcasting target and the catch their competitors. They focus on their competitor, what they did, what they do, how they do, what they will do. मतलब कि they focus on their competitor, and this is the main marketing strategy of the every company. They want that we focus on their competitor, what their next step, what they want to do in next step, so much more. So in the Fox broadcasting company, there are the main four triggers. Like first of all is the advertising, producer, networking, and distributor. For example, advertising, as we told about that, Fox broadcasting, the main object and the main objective is to entertainment, and how they get entertainment to their viewers for throughout advertising, throughout films, throughout movies, and many more. So throughout advertising, the Fox broadcasting focus on the advertising. Second step is produce. If the advertising is complete, so next step, what they produce, how to produce, what they will produce, मतलब कि what they want to produce for their audience. And the third is a network, in which challenge, in the which criteria, and the which television they will, what they produce is how to telecast. And the last one is distribute, how many channels, how many network it purchase their what the series, movies, films, and the cartoon, whatever. Advertising is the for currently advertising for the increasing number of companies to reach their audience, and to reach a target there, for example, of the much more of the companies like the Sky, ABC, BBC, Sky Television, and much more. So history of broadcasting. The history of broadcasting, as we told it, advertising, producing, networking, and station. What they call of station. Station is actually a process in the history of the early 90s, and sorry, late 90s. The station is the most popular thing in this time. Station, radio station, film station, sorry, studio station, and much more. Broadcasting television. Fox broadcasting is in previous time, they are starting in 1975 to 1976 to 1975 to 1986. They started a broadcasting television, and in which they telecast a different types of news, dramas, films, and movies. They have also a target or three main process and the main step. First of all is the cable expansion, second is the satellite transmission, and the third is the station growth. Cable expansion is that the Fox broadcasting want to expand their cables. For example, in our house we have a cable. Fox broadcasting also want they if they target on the, for example, Islamabad I-9 and the H9, for example. So Fox broadcasting want to in I-9 everywhere Fox broadcasting cables are expanded. मतलब कि वो हर जगह उसको चाहते थे कि मतलब हर जगह उसको मिल जाए. That's like the type of all television and all types of net internet connection are the wanted कि हमारे घर में हमारा वो लगा हुआ हो, कि केबल लगा हुआ हो. And the third one is and the second one is the satellite transmission. Satellite transmission, in which they are the circuit and the types of the towers and the satellite, that the areas and the regionals that they connect to each other. For example, in this area we telecast the bulbule and whatever any TV. So in next area also want to telecast different types of thing. They want not, but they also want like a same चीज़ वहीं पर जो यहाँ लग रही है वो वहाँ पर भी लग रही हो. And the third and the most important is the station. As we talk, station is the most popular thing in late 90s and the early 90s, also in the 1950, 1970, 1980, in the when Pakistan is beginning in 19 independence of Pakistan, 1947 is the most hard hitting in Pakistan. So, in growth of station of the fast broadcasting is lagged in some numerical ways. In 1975, station growth of fast broadcasting is like that. In 1975, fast broadcasting have a just 80 stations, but in after 5 years, in 1980, the fast broadcasting have a 121 station. So more forward, in 1985, means after 5 years they have a 241 work station. Means in 1975 to 1985, in 10 years they have expanded 82 to 41, almost 150, 160, they have increased their station. And the station, they focus on the work station because of this time. And the fast broadcasting still a view 96 May 1972, the in this time they are the most popular, and everyone knows about the false broadcasting. When we started, when every movie, when for example the false broadcasting produce any movie, and the movie is started and we all are standing in the cinemas, the false broadcasting banners are like Fox, FOX. If you know that Sky, SKY, Pakistani drama started with the Sky, and different types of producers, they advertising, they are the starting of the movies. So news corporation is mean that Fox advertising focus on the news also. After their main focus completed, like film, movies and the cartoon. They also on news corporation is like the management, programming, distribution, advertising and outlook. So if Fox broadcasting complete their all point of view, and the Fox broadcasting blessed, God bless that they have, if they think about we want this, so they also want this, because they have the mind and they have the strategy, marketing strategy. They know the how to achieve this, how to get this, how to collect this, how to catch this. They Fox broadcasting know each and everything about their company. So the last thing the honor of the founder of the Fox broadcasting told about is that when I institution, a really integrated media company has to be in the production of entertainment. You have got to have a foot in the creative process. Making movies or TV shows is a part of that. I went into entertainment not to get into entertainment. What they say? I went into entertainment not to get into entertainment. It was a part of a broad strategy to get into the media industry, the heart of the media industry. I know you really can't talk about one global economic, but there are certain things common. Hollywood is still the management for most talent studios. Here is still the permanent position. So if one own a studio, it's a great opportunity. It's a great opportunity. So it's my case study about the false broadcasting. If you have a question, so I am available for this. Thank you so much, sir. Allah Hafiz.